let's come to the second part, which is the plan. Okay. So now I have set the goal. Okay, I've set the goal, but how I'm going to achieve that goal? Correct? I want, okay, I said that I want $1,000 in 60 days with 28 pro user or 2800 visitor and all these things. But how I'm going to, achieve that? Okay, so come to the next slide. Okay, let's do some brainstorming with the plan. Okay, so this is I'm going to give you one. Mostly people do like this. Suppose they have the traffic source. Okay, traffic source may be from Google ad or blog, Facebook, email marketing or SEO, whatever. That those are the traffic source, and from there they try to bring those traffic to their sales page. So what is the sales page? Sales page is something from where you are writing about your product, and there should be a buy button. So from there, if you have your own product, you are writing the features, everything about in the sales page, and then you are put buy button. Okay, and from there you expect that people will going to become. Okay, so traffic source is suppose from maybe from YouTube also, YouTube video also. That is also one of the traffic. So suppose for example, from the Facebook, I'm just putting directly one ad. Okay, and it is directly going to my sales page where I'm pitching. Okay, okay, join my pro membership. Okay, so the conversion rate will be only 1% or 2%. Means if you're directly, asking people from your ad to come to my sales page and purchase it, you'll get hardly 1%, 2% conversion. It means what? It means very simple that if 1,000 people click your ad, go to the sale page. So if you're lucky, you will get two people to purchase your product. If you are lucky, and that is also depends on to the your domain or sector. Okay, this conversion rate. But if you see about the general fundamental industry, you can say industry benchmark, it's only 1 to 2%. Okay, so this strategy, this plan, you can say, which is 90% of newcomers are doing. Okay, it's totally wrong. Okay, it's wrong and ineffective. So what should be the effective plan? So here I'm going to discuss one plan. Okay, there may be multiple plan or shuffling and all these things between the block. Okay, so this is my one plan which I use. Okay, there are some other plans also which we can discuss in the 60-day course pro member area. I don't know. Okay, so this plan I call it's a 5-block plan. Okay, and this is very effective plan. So what is my plan? My plan is very simple. What I will do, okay, I am going to put my ads on FB, and first I will put as a traffic ad and then the conversion ad. If you are not aware about what is a traffic ad and what is conversion ad, don't worry about that. In the Facebook section or strategy section, I will talk all these things much very detailed and a very minute level. Just try to understand it's very high level plan. That's it. Okay, and just put these 5 blocks in your mind. Okay, so whenever I'm going to discuss it new in other videos, just put all these 5 blocks in mind, and it will be very easy for understanding whole thing. Okay, so now if you see here, I have my Facebook. From the Facebook, suppose I'm generating a traffic. Okay, I've chosen this traffic source in this plan, and from here I'm not directly sending traffic to my sales page. Correct? I'm sending them to my blog. Okay, so suppose I have written few blogs which is telling about internet marketing. What are the top 10 ways of effective ways to earn money or make money by internet marketing, or what are the strategy you have to follow. Okay, so these are the, suppose I have written 4 or 5 blogs. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to bring traffic from my Facebook traffic ads to my blog. Okay, and with the help of the custom audiences, I'm capturing who all are visiting my blog so that I can retarget them later. So don't worry about what is retargeting. Don't worry about the custom audiences. I told you I will discuss this in very detail later. Okay, so just understand that we have to retarget. So if someone is coming to my blog, what I'm going to do, I'm putting one more lead magnet. Okay, so lead magnet, maybe join our 60 days internet marketing course, free internet marketing course, or you can have some free ebooks, some case studies, whatever. Okay, you can. Why we are putting this lead magnet here? Because I want to get the email ID of the visitor, okay, who's visiting my blog. Okay, so that later I can communicate with them via email. So once someone is giving their email ID and name, okay, for getting that particular free ebook or for my 60 days internet marketing course, all these email ID will come and store into my autoresponder. Autoresponder is simpler email marketing tool where we can send multiple emails. Okay, just write once and it can go at whatever time we have scheduled or whatever automation will do at autoresponder. So also don't worry about this autoresponder. We have complete one module and strategy session on the autoresponder. So now from blog and from autoresponder, okay, I may send people to my landing page. Okay, if you are an affiliate for the pro member, for example, so what you are going to do, you are going to create your own landing page. Okay, what should be inside the landing page? Okay, and how to write or build the landing page, that we'll discuss later. I told you here, just I'm giving you a high level, but basically if you a landing page is totally it's only telling you about some story about your story, some what product is you're going to offer, features of those products. Okay, and there will be an affiliate link, okay, from where the person will go to the sales page, and with the help of that affiliate link, it will register that you particularly bring that customer to that sales page. Okay, so if that person purchased from that sales page, so it will assume that it's your customer and you will get your 50% commission. Okay, so from here, uh, if you see, I told you, I've written 4 or 5 blogs. From there, I can route my user to my landing page, or from autoresponder also we have 4 or 5 emails, and from at the end of one email, last email, I'm sending them to the landing page where I am, telling them more detail about the landing page. For that product. Okay, any product. Okay, now the person who goes through this cycle, okay, so in a way what you are doing here, okay, first thing, you are building the trust, between yourself and the visitor, because whenever the visitor is coming or seeing your ad and clicking on your page, he does not know you. Okay, you are a stranger to him, he is a stranger to you. Okay, so there is trust level is nothing, there's no trust. Okay, so here what with blogs, with emails, okay, what I'm doing, I'm building some trust. I'm interacting with him, I'm asking some questions to him, maybe he can respond to email, I can respond to them. So at that level I'm just building a trust, okay, that I'm a genuine person, I'm trying to give you some more value. Okay, and at the end I'm going to promote my product with the landing page. Okay, so promotion of the product should be only 10 to 20% of whole of your communication with your target customer. Okay, only 10 to 20%, remember, and 80% you are giving value to him. Okay, we are building the trust, or you can say you are building a relationship. I'm telling you, my dear friend, ultimately people, buy because not of the very good and very, awesome product. It's totally only because of the 80% of, trust and relationship, whatever you have built with your customer. Okay, so always this thing keep in your mind. Okay, so here you build this trust. Okay, and then you put your affiliate link into the landing page, and from there the person will go to the sales page. If you're using some affiliate product, it's the sales page of that vendor, and from there again they are uh, trying to capture those visitor as a paid customer. Okay, so this is overall, and from here the conversion rate will be 20 to 30%. And even I have seen the conversion rate up to 60 to 70%. Okay, I've seen in my but here again I'm just taking the industry research. Okay, because I don't know in which industry or which product you are going to sell. So for the safer side, I've taken this 20 to 30% of the conversion rate happen with this with this plan or this process. So for your product, you also need to think about it. It may not, you're not able to replicate exact it, but the core thing you should understand the 3 points is, building the trust and, relationship and providing the value. This is the, up to this four block, we are doing this thing only. And at the fifth block, we are sending them to the sales page. So you understand this four block is 80%. So 80% my effort is building a relationship. That's it. Okay. Okay. So this is the plan. Now third and very important for important ingredient of GPS is the schedule. Okay.